For some guitar. So I just wanted to add a little something to the Ode to Joy video, or at least the story about that. That obviously was an older piece of music, classical music. It's also called Hymn to Joy. It's also called Joyful, Joyful, which I remembered was a big part in the end of Sister Act, which is kind of a funny movie. It's a good music movie because it shows a inner city choir doing a version of that, and it's really pretty cool. So if you get a chance to watch Sister Act, do that. Today we're going to work on a piece that one of my students asked for. It's called Sunshine, and it really is just an exercise in the E scale, E major, which we all know pretty well. But it also uses 3 strings. So we use thumb on the 3rd string. So the skinny string is 1, next string is 2, and the next string is, I believe that's a G string, is the 3rd string. So we're going to play thumb on the 3rd string, and all of this whole scale really is with our thumb, and the 2nd and 1st strings are played open. So thumb, 1, 2, thumb, 1, 2. So thumb's on the 3rd string, index fingers on the 2nd string, middle fingers on the 3rd. So it looks like this: thumb, 1, 2, thumb, 1, 2. So they're all in a row, in order. The kind of thumb is pushing down and the fingers are picking up. This will go a long ways for you in your guitar technique, because there's a lot of things that we do with we're picking, what I call plucking. There's also finger picking. So we're doing thumb, 1, 2, thumb, 1, 2. Sometimes we do thumb, 1, 2, 1, thumb, 1, 2, 1. So it's just the fingers, 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's kind of a little confusing because we're using 1st finger on the 2nd string, 2nd finger on the 1st string. But think of your thumb, 1, 2 in a row, your thumb on the 3rd string. So what we do is we fret 3rd string 1, and then we do thumb, 1, 2. Thumb, 1, 2, la da dee. Thumb, 1, 2. The notes we use in the scale are 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. Now we're going to go up to 2. Then we're going to do 4, 4, 4, 6, 8, 8. Thumb 1. Now we do 9. And 11 and 15. So if we start up there, we're going to do 15, 13, thumb, 1, 2, 1, 11, 9, 6, 4, 2, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 13, 14, 16. So some of you will be able to get these charts. I'll be sending them out to my students, and we'll see what we can do to get charts for the rest of you. But if you don't have one, just get a piece of paper and write this down. 3rd string, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 13, 14, 16. So now we know the scale. It's just really an exercise. The way Sunshine is notated, it starts on 9. And by the way, when you're looking at your guitar, what helps you find your fret number is the dots are on the odd number ones. So 3 and 5, 3, 5, 7, 9, 12. So if you're looking for the even numbers, you look in between. So 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So that's what the dots are for, to help you find your way around on your neck. So again, here we go. So sunshine starts on 9. Thumb 1, 2, 1. 8, 1, 1, 2, 1. 6. Thumb 1, 2, 1. 4. Thumb 1, 2, 1. 2. 1. Then we go down to 4th string 4. 4th string 4, 3rd string 2. 4th string 4, 3rd string 2. So we're using 4 strings here. This is just for the ending. And then 2, 1. But for right now, you can just end on 1 if you want. So again, we start on 9, which is a dot. 3rd string 9. Thumb 1, 2, 1. Now think of moving to 8. Thumb 1, 2, 1. Now think of moving to 6. Thumb 1, 2. 3rd string we're on. Now 4. Thumb 1, 2, 1. Now 2. Thumb 1, 2, 1. And 1. Thumb 1, 2, 1. Thumb 1, 2. So you can really start and end anywhere you want. We took another version of it and we did 9, 11, 13. So if we start on 9, 11, 13, 14, 14, 13, 11, 9. So you can mix up doing the thumb 1, 2 and just do thumb 1 or thumb 2, or you could do them all at the same time. Would sound like this. That's 1, and here's 2. Sorry. Here's 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2. Fret 1, 3rd string 1. We've talked about counting, so for counting, these would be quarter notes, kind of fast quarter notes. So that means each one gets one beat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. If we're doing half notes, twice as long, it would be 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 and 2 and 1 hold 2 and 1 hold 2 and 1 hold 2. So we're going to maybe try some more combinations. So you can start anywhere in your scale. Remember, it's 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 13, 14, 16 if you want to go way up there. So we don't do 12, we go around it. 11, 13, 14, 16. So we could do 1 and up to 4, 4 and 2, go up to 6 and 6. Now do 4 and up to 8 and 8 and 6 and 9 and 8, 11. Let's see, 14, 11. So you try it now, just play the scale, and remember you can play your E scale as well if you're playing with this, which is the notes that you already know, which are 2, 4, 5, 7, 9, 11, 12, and open 2, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10, 12. So all those notes go with this. So you play now. So I'll call out some numbers. So 6. So we're doing third string 6, open, open on the second and first string. Third string 6, open, open. 4, 6, and 4, 6. Now 8, now 9, 11, 13, 14, 16, 14, 13, 14, 16, 14, 13, 11, 9. Now there's a scale right here I'd like you to learn at some point. So we're going to run third string 11. I'm sorry, 9. Third string 9, 11. Third string 9, 11. Now we do second string 9, 10, 12. So again, third string 9, 11. Second string 9, 10, 12. And the first string 9, 11, 12. So your fingers all stay right lined up on that fret. So we do pinky, first string 12, 11, 9. So first string 12, 11, 9, 11, 12, 11, 9. Second string is almost the same, but it's 10. 12, 10, 9, 12, 10, 9, 10, 12, 10, 9. First string 12, 11, 9, 11, 12. Second string 12, 10, 9, 10, 12, 10, 9. Third string 11, 9. So 9, 11, 9, 10, 12, 9, 11, 12, 12, 11, 10, 12, 10, 9, 11, 9. So watch. So that's the scale we're using. So there's a lot of things we can do and practice and play using this scale. And then when I play with you, I play the whole chord. So you can practice all of those, any of those numbers, 1, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9, 11, 13, 14, 16. Plus you can do your E major scale. So play something. Practice on your scale. I'll help you. 8, 6, 4. 2. 8, 6, 4, 2. 9, 8. 11, 9. 9, 8, 11, 9. 1, 2, 4. 1, 2, 4. 4, 6, 4. 4, 6, 4. 8, 6, 4. 8, 6. 9, 8. 11, 9. 13, 11, 9, 8, 6, 4, 2, and 1. Good job. I'll see you next time.